Good morning, welcome to day 2 of my vlog. Here I am at Ballybudden, which is about 8 miles north of Dundee, to help out with a local beach clean. I've taken the leaf, nowhere to charge, but I've still got plenty of charge from yesterday. Unfortunately, the Dundee sunshine has gone and it's a little bit dreek out there, so I think we're going to get a bit wet. Well, this is Ballybudden Beach. I'll just do a panoramic round. You can see an army of helpers from Monifieth Eco Force and the local Rotary Club all helping out. Everyone's got their pickers. And here's some of the bigger items that have washed up on the beach. And we've got a tractor up at the far end that will help us clear up. It's a beautiful place. Unfortunately, covered in plastic. But everybody's pitching in to get rid of as much of it as we can today. Great effort everyone, well done. Well, it's Sunday afternoon now and it's brightened up to be an absolutely beautiful day now. Needing to pop down to the shops to get a few bits and bobs, so I'm going to take the leaf down. But what's good is that the multi-storey car park next to the retail park has a couple of chargers, but also through a scheme run by Dundee Drive Electric, which you can find on Twitter, that if you let Dundee City Council know that you drive a 100% zero emissions electric vehicle, that they will put your number plate on their system, so when you drive up to the barriers they should lift automatically and let you into the council car park for free, which is great. Here we go. So here we are at the Olympia car park, which is next to a big sports centre and swimming pool. And we're in the car park on the ground floor, where you might be able to see behind me there's a red leaf charging up there, and there's my leaf ready to plug in. So there are 6 type 2 points here, but you might be wondering how everybody plugs in. There's 3 charging spaces down here, and the other 3 are upstairs, and quite cleverly, if you see just about there, there's a little hole that you feed the cable down. It's a little bit of a pain, but it still means that 6 cars get to charge. So I'm gonna head to the shops and pick up a few electrons while I'm there. Okay, so I've finished shopping, I've charged for free, and hopefully I'm going to be able to park for free. When I get to the barriers, they should hopefully recognise my registration plate and lift when it recognises I'm on their system. So here we go. Quiet in the car park today, Sunday afternoon. Down the hill. Moment of truth. Bingo! There we go. Time to go home now. Finished for the day checking on my horse at the stables, so I thought I would pop in and quickly top up my tyres. How much fun is this? It's literally the Michelin Man, and guess what? While I'm topping up my tyres, I can also charge up my leaf. Good morning, I'm heading into work now, and the leaf is also needing a charge. You can see that I'm down to 28% and 27 miles on the gasometer, so I'm going to get plugged in. So I'm at a multi-storey car park at the university. Not the most picturesque setting, but this is a really handy charger, and I would say this charger is an absolute lifeline for myself, as I don't have a home charger, so when I come out at lunchtime I should be fully charged and I'll free up the charger ready for somebody else. So that's me finished up for an early lunch, so I'm going to see how much my Leaf has charged while I was at work. Fantastic, that's my battery up at 100% and showing 93 miles on the gasometer, which is excellent. So that means I probably won't need to charge for a few days now, because I've just really got some local trips back and forward to work and a few other things over the next few days. Having a workplace charger really is essential for myself as an EV owner without a home charger. I really rely on this to get my weekly boosts of electrons. But also for those that even do have a home charger, having a workplace charger would double the commuting distance that you would be able to do. That's me home, and I've still pretty much got a full battery because I have a relatively short commute. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody for tuning into my vlog, and I hope it's been of interest seeing my daily runabout in a Nissan Leaf without a home charger. Owning an electric car without a home charger is really made possible by the excellent charging infrastructure that we have in Dundee. The Dundee City Council and their Drive Dundee electric project really are visionary in what they've been doing with their charging infrastructure, and if you might have seen that we are currently in the process of installing 3 public charging hubs across the city, and that's as well as our electric taxi rank that I showed you earlier on. But also as well as the council, institutions such as the University of Dundee having the foresight to install chargers for their staff members and students allows people like myself to have an electric car. Statistics have shown that most people have under a 20-mile commute, which is very similar to myself. So having a workplace charger allows many people to consider owning an electric car, and I really hope businesses across the board take this into consideration and open the doors for electric driving to all their staff. So I'll sign off now, and thanks again for watching.
Before you go, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Elle for recording this week's guest vlog. I've learnt amazing things that you can survive without a home charger. Hope you've also learnt the same things. Don't forget to follow Elle on Twitter, follow myself on Twitter, and check out my subscribe button down here. Check out the suggested videos here and here. Thanks very much, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.